Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and this is another unboxing of a plumbing, what's it called, a plumbing fitting that I got for the hose in the back. It's a size hose fitting, 3/4 inch. Here's the tag on it. It's called the Twinkle Star Garden Hose. I got this off Amazon. Not sure how much it was, I mean, if you really need to know. The box is really banged up. This is how it came, which kind of sucks. No bag, no nothing. The other ones before came in a bag and it was tightly packed, so it didn't look all crappy. So see how the box has all these marks in it? So you could tell it was banging around like crazy. Here, you could pretty much fit another 2 fittings in here. So that's how much room it was bouncing around when everyone was throwing it. So yeah, so this is what I got. I got 90 degrees. It's a 2-pack. There's the washer in there. I got the ones with the wings on the side, so this way I can hand tighten it as much as possible before having to use a wrench or something like that. I don't like to use wrenches on hose if you don't have to. And it comes with the extras to go on the other side, so that's always included, I guess. Not always, but at least I look for that. So there's the box. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it up to here so you can see the measurement of it. This is what the inside looks like. It looks not restricted. That's why I got something like this. These are very wide in there. See, they're very, it's no matter what on a 90 degree, you're going to have restriction, no matter what. I get that, but if the bigger the hole and the better made this is, the more flow you're going to have. So pretty much, yeah. All right, so that's what I got. Let's put a measurement up here. I'm going to put the camera really close so you guys can get a measurement and see exactly if this is going to work for you. Right there. Okay, so you guys can see. So let's put this up to it. This is about how big you can expect it to be. I did it from the end of the wing here. So that's how big you can expect it to be. It's right at about 2.5 inches. Okay, and then when you do this side, you know, it's 2 inches. Okay, so if you do this side and I do to here, it's 2 inches this way. Okay, if you're going to go this way, it is 3 inches. So it's 3 inches this way, as you can see. Okay, and that's it. So I'm just going to, this is how wide this is, the wing, so you can see. Okay, from here to here, so it's 1 3/4 roughly, but you're going to need room to spin it with your thumbs or fingers and stuff like that, so don't just measure that. And then this is a little bit over 1 inch as well, okay? And that's how wide the body is. All right, so pretty much now you got a nice little measurement of you know, what it looks like or whatever the case may be. I mean, you guys saw it. Hopefully it didn't cut it off at the top, I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's kind of what you can expect for it to be. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help the community out, just like I get help from you guys. You know, before I buy stuff and before you spend your money on it, kind of helps out. And yeah, so, that's pretty much how it's going to screw on, just to show you, so you see. So it looks like that, okay? So there we go. So that's how you could see it, at least screwed onto something, all right? So, yeah, that's it. Everybody enjoy. Be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out right now. Bye-bye.